Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will answer the question, does Android 16 have AI? Let's begin. And the answer to that question is yes, it does. And it has many AI features, so I can't really go through them in this video, but I can show you one of them. If we go to the settings and, for example, go to Wallpaper and Style and go to more wallpapers, here we have AI wallpaper option. As you can see, we can go here and now we can create some cool wallpapers on our phone. So I can go with, well, there are many here, but let's go with X-Ray because X-Ray is pretty cool. And as you can see, we can tap a word for ideas and inspiration. So as you can see, we have X-ray viewings in maroon. You can always switch on it to something else. So for example, we can go with well, there aren't many cool options here. Like mostly there are plants, but let's go with dragonfly wings. Well, of course I have to go with green, I really love the green color. Now all we need to do is simply hit create wallpaper. We also need a Google account for this. So now it's creating our AI powered wallpaper. Amazing! So we can simply, well, we can't really zoom out, but we can choose a few different options. Well, this one is pretty cool, I guess. But this one, it doesn't really look like a dragonfly, but it looks badass. So let's go and hit it. Now we can, for example, move it around. But I do think it's pretty cool looking already. Let's hit check mark, let's hit next. Let's only apply it to the lock screen. And our AI generated wallpaper is done. And there are many more AI features to come through. But as you can see, this is only one of them. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.